This is a tool. I should make this a Toolie Tuesday video. This is a tool video. I bought this. I've never used one of these in my life. McPherson strut spring compressor kit. I'm hoping this is about a Horror Freight. I'll open it. I'll show you me unboxing it because let's use this here. See, I don't have any chainsaws or anything to open this up with, so keep the box. I ordered one on Amazon. I couldn't wait. Here's a Super Automotive Tools. And look at the box. It's one side. There's writing here. It was like $39, but you're an inside track member. It was like $24. They are way cheaper on Amazon. Probably the same freaking factory it came in. So that said, there's a zip tie on here, which I'll cut off here, lower it. So there. What does it come with? Instructions. There we go. Plastic foam thing, and yeah, this is probably too big. This is probably way too big. Oh, maybe we can put on here. Will it fit on? Let's see this. Well, yeah, not gonna work. I was all excited too. Bummer. Well, that's not gonna work. I guess I do gotta wait. But anyway, it's a spring compressor. I can use it for something else. See, I was hoping I could put it, wedge it in here and in here. But apparently this is too small. So, probably just sell the goddamn thing. Oh well. We win some, we lose some. But anyway, that was praying. But anyway, it looks pretty cool. I have 3 of these to open up. Apparently I can't open any now. What excitement. So I got 1, 2, 3, some of the bushings. I'm trying to look at what's what. And I'm going to take them apart. So I probably should have checked this before I made the video. I bought it. I'll sell it to somebody else and see what happens. And that's how the ball bounces. At least I got a spring compressor. Not a bad price. I mean, for something that is a little scary. I do have a bigger spring I tested out on, but now I'm pissed off. Now I'm annoyed. I should just wait it. Now I gotta wait 2 weeks because now I got. See, I gotta take this one apart, this one apart, and this one apart. I'll clean up the aluminum, polish it. I think they still make new bushings for these. I have to check. This spring looks, one of them looks okay. I think one of these is fried. One of these is clapped out. I don't remember which one. I know these can be cleaned a little bit. So I'll take the ends off and see how they work. I know this comes out. I think the top comes off, the top plate, this, and the back end comes off. So tops are good. This spring, it just looks like it's got cosmetic damage. Little rust. This one looks a little sketchy, but the top's still good, and the bushing looks fine. I don't know how to take the bushing out or whatever. I think that just comes out like that. See. And this one, the spring looks a little crusty down here, but if this plate comes off here, and I think the top part, I might be able to replate this part. They say you can't rebuild these. I want to cut one open to find out why you can't. With that said, Sorry for the lack of video. I'm fucking annoyed. Now I gotta wait till like end of December or January just to get this thing done. So, oh well. I tried.